Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, on this channel we review the best products on Amazon so you don't have to waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Asus ROG Strix Scar 18, 2025, gaming laptop, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. I have to say, I was pretty excited when I first saw this laptop on Amazon. It's one of those rare products that genuinely gets me hyped, maybe because I'm a gamer at heart, or maybe because it just looks so darn cool. Either way, I had to dive in and see what all the fuss is about. The Asus ROG Strix Scar 18, 2025, gaming laptop has been making waves in the gaming community with its top-notch performance and stunning display. It's designed for those who want the absolute best of everything, whether that means crushing it in the latest games, editing video, or just having a smooth and enjoyable experience overall. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this laptop really worth the investment? Well, let me tell you, after putting this baby through its paces, I'm convinced it's definitely worth considering. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty specs, let me share with you what really impressed me about this laptop. One of the things that struck me most was how smooth everything runs, whether you're gaming, editing, or just multitasking, it never feels sluggish. It's like butter, folks. And that's a huge selling point for anyone who values performance and efficiency in their device. Another feature that really stood out to me is the ROG Nebula HDR display. I mean, this thing is beautiful, 2000 plus dimming zones, dual ACR layers, a 240Hz refresh rate. It's like having your own personal movie theater on the go. And with the mini LED technology, you get that vibrant, lifelike color palette that just draws you in. Of course, no laptop would be complete without some serious processing power, and the Asus ROG Strix Scar 18 delivers in spades. With its Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 laptop GPU, this thing can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. And I should know, I threw everything at it from video editing to gaming, and it handled each one like a pro. But what really gets me excited about this laptop is its cooling system. The ROG Intelligent Cooling System, featuring an end-to-end vapor chamber, tri-fan technology, and conductanot extreme liquid metal, ensures that your device stays cool, quiet, and comfortable even under intense workloads. And let's be real, who doesn't want a laptop that won't make their bedroom sound like a war zone? Now, I've been using this laptop for a while now, and I have to say, it's been a game changer, no pun intended. The upgrade with tool-free access is also a major plus, no more wrestling with screws or trying to figure out how to remove the RAM. It's like having your own personal tech wizard at your fingertips. Of course, as with any high-end product, there are some minor complaints. Some users have reported that the keyboard can be a bit finicky, and the battery life could be better. But overall, these are just minor quibbles. This laptop is an absolute beast of a machine that delivers on everything it promises. So, is the Asus ROG Strix Scar 18, 2025, gaming laptop worth your money? In my opinion, absolutely. If you're looking for a device that can keep up with your most demanding tasks, and still deliver stunning visuals and performance, then this laptop is the way to go. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just someone who wants the best of everything, this laptop is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. We drop new videos every week covering the best products on Amazon. The link to grab the Asus ROG Strix Scar 18, 2025, gaming laptop is right below in the description. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.